Hey, it's Paul with Rack Attack, and this is a comparison between the Thule Evo raised rail based roof rack system and the Thule Edge raised rail based roof rack system. Both of these systems are designed for approved vehicles with factory installed raised side rails. Now let's take a look at how each of these systems will attach to those raised side rails. Okay, now let's take a close-up look at the different methods of attachment to the side rail on a vehicle. So for this demonstration, we'll just use this tube to represent the side rail. Now with the Evo raised rail system, you have the jaws that will grip to the side rail, as you see. Now underneath this cover, we can go ahead and press the underside button to remove that cover. There's a fastener, and we'll just use that fastener to tighten the clamp. Now the clamp is on the back side, and you can see it there, and I'll just continue to tighten until it has a secure grip. Now this tool that I'm turning will actually click to indicate when you've reached the maximum tightness. So I'll just continue to tighten, and you'll see the rubber is conforming and gripping around the side rail there to provide secure connection. Okay, let me keep going, and we'll get a click out of this tool here, and that way you'll know it's fully tightened. Okay, it's getting harder, and there, now we have the click, and we can go ahead and put the cover back into place. And now with that cover in place, we can turn the plastic knob here with a coin, and that'll hold that plastic cover in place. Now it is possible to replace this plastic plug with a Thule One-Key system lock cylinder in order to get a high level of security locking the foot to your side rail. Okay, now let's take a look at the Edge raised rail system. I'll slide off this cover, and here you can see you have a rubberized stainless steel band. Let's go ahead and detach that band, and you can see this band has 4 positions in order to set the correct length of the band to accommodate a wide range of different side rail diameters. Now I'll go ahead and hook that back in, and with that hooked back in, I can go ahead and bring over our side rail facsimile here. So let's just go ahead and put that there, and now you can see how the rubber on the foot will contour and shape to that side rail. And I'll go ahead and attach the 2 points there at that anchor. And now in the same way that we use this tool for the Evo raised rail system, it's used here as well. And so you'll tighten this until you get that click, and that indicates that you've reached the full tightness. Then you'll put your cover back into place, and then again with a coin you can just turn this knob into the locked position. And you do again have that option to replace this plastic plug with a Thule One-Key system lock cylinder for added security. Okay, let's take another look at the Evo raised rail system. Here we're featuring it in the black finish on this mock-up. It's also available in the silver as well. Now the key difference between this system and the Edge system is that the wing bar Evo extends over and beyond the foot, giving you more carrying capacity on the bar widthwise. Now here, with this mock-up of our Edge raised rail system, you can see the integrated bar into the foot, and that'll give you the shortest possible bar length and also the lowest profile for the best possible overall aerodynamics. Now this system is available in the silver, as we're featuring here on this mock-up, but also in the black as well. Okay, well those are the key differences between these two systems. Now please see the link in our video description where we have our vehicle fit guide. There you can enter in the year, make, and model of your vehicle, and it'll show you all the options that are approved for your vehicle. If you have any questions or comments on either of these systems, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.